Hi guys, I can't wait to go home to do the unboxing, so I'm gonna do it here at this is actually the airport. So what I'm gonna do is, I've just got this today. This is a Samsung Galaxy A50 and it's just hot off the press. Let's open it up. So there's some packaging there, probably some menus there. Here's the phone. Yep. If you excuse me, I'm doing this one hand. This is the phone. Let's put it one side. Okay, and standard charger from Samsung. So this is a quick charge, should be. It should be a quick charge. What cable we have here is a Type C. Yep, that's a Type C we're looking at, and here's the headphone jacks. Okay, so this is the SIM ejector. So it's the phone. With a very glossy back. So let's open this up. Here we have the phone with the teardrop camera, and it has 3 cameras behind. So we have the 25MP main camera with a 8 megapixel and a 5 megapixel for depth sensing. The front camera is 25MP as well, and this model comes with a 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage. Okay. So it comes in 3 colors, blue, white and black. I've got the black one, so you see the rainbow reflection of the black. Very shiny, but as you see, it's a fingerprint magnet. The screen is 6.4 inch AMOLED, and it has a fingerprint sensor. I think it's the optical fingerprint, not the ultrasonic one as the S10. Okay, let's power this on. Hopefully there's some battery there. So okay, so Samsung Galaxy A50. Wow, it's done. So this is the first main screen, and yeah, let's push it on. I love this screen. Look at this. Oh, 6.4 inch isn't one-handed, so look at the screen size. That is full bezel-less, and with the notch at the top. Actually, they probably hate me calling it a notch, but it's a notch. But the screen is beautiful because there's no depth. It looks like it's a piece of sticker or prints right on the glass. There's no gap. There's no air gap on this. So for the price of this device, the screen is amazingly good. The screen is just gorgeous. And for its price point and market, I think this is a wonderful screen. Seriously impressive and smooth. Look at that. This is not bad. I didn't expect this kind of level of smoothness for this mid-ranger. Okay, installing Geekbench. While we're at that, let's look at the phone. You have that headphone jack, Type C, and a single speaker there. Nothing on the left. The SIM card on the left here. And off this. You have the volume up and down button and the power button. So the flash and the 3 cameras. There is nothing at the top, no IR blaster. The thing is, they install a screen protector, a plastic version screen protector. So I think the tempered glass shouldn't be out yet, so it'll take some time before the tempered glass reach here. But it's good that they already installed the screen protector. Okay, rebooting before doing the Geekbench, and at the same time you can see how long it boots up. Okay, it's up. It's quite fast. Let's go in the lock screen. Okay, it's called SMA505F, Android 9, and 4 cores 1.74, 4 cores 2.31. So let's run the Geekbench. Okay, we'll be back in a while and see what's the benchmark scores. Okay, here's the score. It's 1007 for single core and 5479 for multi. So this is not bad for the mid-ranger. But seriously, the screen is impressive and the smoothness is great. Let's see single core score 1007. Where does this falls under? Okay, 1007. Okay, so we have Nexus 9 P9. So we have BlackBerry P9. So it's below Note 7 for single core. Now let's look at multi-core. Multi-core is 5004. Okay, that's 5004. So we have it above the Honor V8 and below the Oppo F7. That's 5004 and is above the S7, which is not bad for a mid-ranger. Okay, we'll take some photographs and post it on Instagram as well as Twitter. And this is the wide angle, if I'm not mistaken. Wow, that is wide. That is a real wide angle. You know, it's no joke. Oh, okay. I think you guys will love this when you're traveling. The normal lens. So you have 3 lenses, 8 megapixel for the wide and 25 for the main, whereas the 5 megapixel third camera is for depth sensing. So there you have it. This is the initial unboxing and look at the Galaxy A50, and seriously I'm quite impressed. It's actually well worth the money and a serious contender to the Chinese handsets. And good thumbs up for Samsung for coming out with this model, and I hope there will be more reviews by others and more in-depth benchmark and testing by others as well. Okay, thanks. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Sorry, excuse me for doing this unboxing in the airport. Since I'm waiting for someone, I might as well do it. I couldn't wait till I get home. Bye. So you can't switch the angle when it's recording. Switch it and then record. So you can't switch while recording. The difference, if you're traveling, you can see that makes a lot of difference when you